Assalamu alaikum students and dear doctors. This is a case of cerebral palsy. The child is 8 years old and but only 10 to 11 kg in weight. The child is failure to thrive and has some very remarkable findings which I wanted to show you. The child is having some abnormal movements and poor body control. There is scissoring of the lower limbs. The generalized body tone is increased in this child. The child is doing fisting uh, as well as the head circumference is very low. There is lead pipe rigidity. The rigidity is same throughout the range of motion and and at the extreme of the range of motion is also reduced while performing deep tendon reflexes. The child's deep tendon reflexes are exaggerated because of the muscle wasting. They are not very marked because now child is 8 years old, but there is still very exaggerated deep tendon reflexes, more so on the left side as compared to on the right side because of prolonged increased tone. The deep tendon reflexes in the ankle joint, they are not very as good as readily elicitable as is knee jerk, but still planters, there is fanning and upgoing of the of the thumb, which is consistent with positive Babinski sign. So this is a very classical case of cerebral palsy. Unfortunately, the child is not under treatment. Umbilical wing is preserved to some extent. That's